Welcome! Let's walk through how to work with subtasks in Matidor. First, open your project and click the Work tab. This is where all your activities live. Create or open a work item. Work items help you track what needs to be done. Think tasks, forms, or follow-ups. Once the work item is created, let's add subtasks. These are the steps that help you break down your work into smaller bits. Click on the newly created work item and you will see a subtasks section. To add subtasks, click on the plus sign. Type a name, assign it, and set a due date, just like a mini-task. Subtasks don't have custom fields, but they help keep work organized. You can even mark a subtask as a blocker, meaning the main work can't be completed until this step is done. Great for keeping critical pieces on track. Matidor also keeps you in the loop. It sends notifications for subtask assignments so your team never misses a beat. And if you're a workspace manager, make sure subtasks and other templates are set up under Templates. Inside each work template, user can configure their own set of subtasks. That way, everything runs smoothly from the start, and every new work item will come with the right subtasks already in place. That's it. Subtasks help you stay organized, boost accountability, and make sure your work gets done step by step. Thanks for watching. Tap that next video on screen to learn more, and hit subscribe so you never miss what's coming next.